Find the value of definite integral from 0 to 3 of 2x times sit 1 plus x squared using substitution method. So let us denote our u with sit 1 plus x squared. Just before we differentiate, let us square both sides first. So u squared equals to 1 plus x squared. Differentiate u with respect to x is 2u du dx. Differentiate 1 plus x squared with respect to x is 2x, and my dx is it's going to be 2x dx times with 2u du. And we're going to change all of these terms into u terms, including the limits. Okay, so for x equals to 3, substitute into u. So sit 1 plus 3 squared is sit 10. X equals to 0, then u equals to 1. Substitute 0 here. Okay, so set 1 is 1. Now let us substitute into our function. The limits now is set 10 and 1. Two x dx. 2x dx is 2u du. So I'm going to put my constant 2 outside of my integration. U du. My set 1 plus x squared is also u. So u times u is u squared. Now let us integrate with respect to u. So 2 is a constant. Then u to the power of 3 over with 3. So I'm going to put my 1 over 3 as like this. And I'm going to substitute into my u, the limits now. And I'm going to get sit 10 to the power of 3 minus 1. So you find the value 2 over 3 times with sit 10 to the power of 3 minus with 1. So you're going to get 20.4152. This is correct to 4 decimal places. And glad to leave your answer in 3 significant figures. You're going to get 20.4. So that's it.